Okay, I'm here today to do a calculator unboxing. It's taken me a long time to get around to this, of a calculator I got for Christmas that is this SportsDirect giant desk calculator. And it really is a giant. Let's see if we can get into this thing. Here we are. This would take some serious cutting around the edges. This was bought as a Christmas present for me by the Christian Union at college. I'm very grateful for it. I am too. Finally getting a chance to do a proper unboxing. This is some serious packaging here. We're nearly there. Okay, let's ditch the scissors. Don't do that at home, kids. And if we open it up, here we go. It's still a little bit dark around the edges. Look at that. We've got the packaging fairly well preserved. I'm looking for the instruction manual as I open this up, and nope, we don't seem to have an instruction manual. It does say some information on disposal for users of waste electrical and electronic equipment, obviously thinking that this thing will last. And there's a QR code, I don't know where that leads. 12-digit display. There we are. Look at this then. We have a giant desk calculator, and really this is a giant desk calculator. Just to give you some idea of scale, I'm quite tall, so you may not get the idea from me. Here is a normal sized man, and as you can see, the calculator is giant in relation to him. He is shorter than the plus button. That is quite some doing. Just to compare, here's a standard calculator, the Aurora AX595 TV, and our man on this one, he can just about, if he stands on the equal sign, he can reach up. Yep, he can press number 9, and if he really stretches, he can. No, he can't reach the brackets, but he's doing a pretty good job on there. On the giant calculator, that fella is lost. He can stand on that button and he can reach equals, but he can't get any numbers. So that is a problem if you are a very small Lego person. Okay, this calculator, we don't need to turn it on. It's on straight away. It's got the digit there. Let's see how many digits we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it goes on. 10, 11, I don't know why I pressed 1 twice, 12, that's 12 digits, fantastic display. We ran out of digits there, and it said E at the end, which means extra digits required. We haven't got them, so we can't do any more with that. If we press all clear again, fantastic model. There's lots of things you can do. Let's test it out first as a calculator though. Does it do some calculations? Many of us know 5 times 4 is 20, and there we go. If we do that, yep, 5 times 4, it says 20. That's a good start. Let's do the 1 divided by 3 test. 1 divided by 3 is 0.3333, and we've got lots of 3s along there. Let's times it by 3 again, and we should get back to 1. We don't. It's 0.9999. There are some 9s across the top. But still, that's pretty good. That's only a small amount out. Excellent use as a calculator. It's got all sorts of buttons here. We can't do any of that fancy trig stuff, or even squaring or square rooting. We do have a percentage button down at the bottom here, and a plus minus button if you can't decide whether you want to add or subtract. If you're wavering in between the two, you can just press that one lots and see what happens. A multi-purpose calculator. It has, just noticed, little clips on the back. There we are. So you can hold it like that and swing it around, which is an excellent feature. I often try and do that with normal calculators and just end up dropping them. So that is really, really good. It is solar powered, but it does say use battery on the back. So I'm not quite sure what they're thinking of there. There's a little battery slot, but it requires a tiny screwdriver to get into it. There's no way we're getting into that. There we go. Lots of things we could do with this calculator. It doubles up as a very attractive tray for your afternoon snack, a cup of water, and a Tunnocks caramel wafer biscuit. Fantastic biscuit, MathsDave's favourite biscuit. More than 5 million of these biscuits made and sold every week. They use this calculator to work them out. And if you fancy a little bit of graph paper tennis, then again this calculator is superb for that. Here we go. Whoa, fantastic hit. I am hit the ceiling. Hope it's all right. So there we go. Fantastic model. It says SportsDirect.com on the top, so it's affiliated with the best football team, Newcastle United. Many great features. Okay, it doesn't do much as a calculator, but think of those extras: the tea tray, the graph paper tennis bat. A great product. I've no idea how much it cost because, as I say, this was a present. But you could probably get one from SportsDirect or out of the skip somewhere. Great, and that's maths. I'll have to turn it off myself. Somebody else here. There we go.